Hello, welcome. This is Blockchainbloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atla Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that the next big Ethereum upgrade is coming up actually in next February. And what is this all about? I'm going to talk about it in a second. Then we have MicroStrategy, which continues the DCA strategy and buying again more Bitcoin. And the third news is all about that Iran and Russia officially ditch US dollar for trade. So guys, all this in today's video. And don't forget, every single day I'm bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom. So if you don't want to miss an important thing, then simply subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you like this kind of content, hit the like button. So let's do it. Okay, and for start, let's have a look at the prices. Bitcoin is, kind of not moving any direction the last 24 hours. As you can see, 43,177 US dollar. On the other hand, Ethereum went up 5.5%. It is right now 2,400 US dollar. Doing much better now than Bitcoin in the last 24 hours. Then we have Bitcoin SV going up 42%, Arbitrum 17%, Lido down 14%. So these are the top three in the top 100. Among the losers, we have Bonk continues to go down 14%, Stacks about 10%, Solana went down about 6.5%. And when we're looking at the Bitcoin candlestick chart, we're still in this among these green trend lines, as you can see. So yeah, so far so good, to be honest with you. Okay, and right now, let's move on to the first topic. And the first topic is all about that the next big Ethereum upgrade is actually coming up pretty soon. When and what is it all about? I tell you in a second. Okay, so the next Ethereum upgrade, Denkan, is coming up actually soon. Probably on the mainnet at the end of February. And we can see already that Ethereum price started to go up, and also some layer 2s started to go up. Because what is this all about? Basically, it's going to remove the data stored on Ethereum. So basically, data transaction going to be separated from money transactions, and the biggest cost on layer 2 transactions is basically to store the data on ETH. So now that they're going to have it separated from the blockchain, a separate fee market for data, it will significantly decrease the transaction fees on layer 2s. So therefore, now you can see also layer 2s going up recently, just like Optimism and Arbitrum. But also Ethereum started to now go up. And this could be quite a big upgrade, another one in the row. And originally it's supposed to happen nowish. I mean, end of 2023, but the developers pushed it into 2024. And as you can see, the target is that on the 17th of January it will go live on Gorley Test Network, and then they continue with another one on end of January, beginning of February, and on the mainnet probably end of February if everything works smooth during the test. And all these things can push higher Ethereum price, which recently hasn't really moved. And, everybody's focusing on Solana and all these kind of things. But my guess is that Ethereum, it will also come back great. What do you think about this? You can let me know in the comment section. Okay, second topic. The second topic is MicroStrategy continues with their DC strategy, buying even more Bitcoin. To be honest with you, we got used to it that MicroStrategy is continuously buying Bitcoin as they promised they're going to, but it's just great thing to always look at their strategy and how it works out in the last couple of years, buying here and there Bitcoin, sometimes around the top, and still being in the profit. So this time they bought $650 million worth of Bitcoin. So with that, they're holding it's around 5.9 billion US dollar when it comes to Bitcoin. And Bitcoin, the numbers are 189,150 Bitcoin exactly. This time they bought 14,620 Bitcoin on an average price of 42,110 US dollar. But when it comes to their total average is 31,168 dollar per Bitcoin. And how they buy? Simple as that. Where you can see the green dots, these are the the points in time when they bought some Bitcoin. And yeah, here you can see actually how they did their strategy. And all these buyings, look, around the top, closer to the bottom, again around the top, on the way down, when we went sideways, we going up. This is their DCA strategy, and they are in profit with this. They have started to buy Bitcoin back in August in 2020 and doing it since. And it's just a great example for those who always hesitating to it's maybe it should go down and then I buy something. Maybe it should go down, then I buy something. Those who actually are in the market and not left out and thinking in long term, so not in a couple of months, because if you started to buy Bitcoin here all the way down, then you probably had a pretty bad time. But we're talking about here, a shorter period. When we're talking about a longer period, years, then your average could be pretty great, because Bitcoin value compared to other assets, doesn't matter if stock market, it's gold, it's silver, you name it, bonds, it's going up much better than those. So it's outperforming them. And not financial advice, obviously. This is just history. When you look at Bitcoin in the last 10 years, in the last decade, it is the best performing asset. What will happen in the future? Nobody knows, but so far, so good. Okay, and now move on to the next topic. It's all about that Iran and Russia officially did use dollar for trade. And the story for the dollar continues that less and less countries would like to use the US dollar, especially, of course, I'm talking about the BRICS countries, to use dollar when they trade with each other. And now the newest one is Iran and Russia officially did use dollar for trade. And so the two nations have finalized a deal that will have a massive impact on their trade dealings. By the way, Iran is set to become one of the BRICS 5 new members in 2024, so actually in next year. So another hit for the US dollar. This story is now on for a while, and how it's going to develop, you don't see it in a couple of months or weeks or a couple of years. But if that trend continues and less countries going to use the US dollars, probably not good for them. But we're going to see it. This is the reason we are actually thinking in crypto, we're thinking in Bitcoin, because we would like to save our the value of our savings and to keep it in fiat money. Even the US dollar is doing much better than many other currencies, Turkish lira, Argentinian peso, you name them. But still continuously inflating. And that means the value of your savings is less and less if you keep it in fiat money, even if US dollar, and all these things are not helping either. Right, guys, that's it for today. And I'm going to make some short videos in the next couple of days, obviously. But the next new video, it will be probably in next year, in 2024, probably on the 2nd of January. So all of you, I wish you a happy new year. And don't forget, I'm making these videos here on this channel for 3.5 years already. Every single day, I'm making you fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain related videos to keep you up to date, short videos, longer videos. So if you don't want to miss a single important thing, simply subscribe, because I'm going to continue with this in next year in 2024 as well. So have a good one. Happy New Year. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.